questions from your homework. Oh, what happened? What happened to my live streaming? It's going on and here. Okay, let's check. Can we do it or not? Is it working or not? Let's check. Oh, okay, it's working. Right? So, first we will do questions from your homework. Here. Okay, they can watch now. No. Okay. Right. So. First, we are doing questions from your homework. So, in your homework, what are the questions? So, in your homework, page number 12, right? I need come check that, right? This one we have done in the class. Okay. So now, questions from homework. Question from homework. Now we have page number 13. Question number 1. Right? It is number 1. Absolute of 100. Now what is absolute of 100? It is only 100, right? If we have like this, the absolute value, it is always positive. Question number 2. Minus, it is outside, and 50 here. Now what is the answer of this one? Yes. What is the answer of this one? Yes. If we see the absolute it is 50, but minus it is outside, right? Negative minus it is outside. Look, you can now. So it is only minus 50, right? Next, what we have, question number 3. We have here 100 in the absolute minus 50. Now in this question, first what we have to do, it is equals to, you just solve the absolute first. 100 minus outside, absolute minus 50, it is equals to 50 only, right? Now you can do this one. 100 minus 50, we know already it is, oh, it is not writing here, I will write down here. So we know already it is equal to 50, right? Next, question number 4. Minus 100 in the absolute and plus 50. Now here, minus 100 in the absolute, it is equals to 100 only, right? So 100 plus 50, our answer it is 150, right? Now next, you have these questions also, right? And this one, anyway, right? Okay, next, we have to write question number 1. We have to write down the opposite numbers, right? So I will write the answers only. So what is opposite of 6?
minus 6
Minus 6. So I will write answers only. Come out in here, right? Number 2. Absolute minus 14, right? Absolute minus 14. Now first solve the absolute 16. Now what is the opposite of 14? It is minus 14. Log 16 can come out. So if you are wrong, please make the correction. Number 3. Minus 72. Now what is opposite of minus 72? 72, correct. Okay, question number 4. Minus 36, right? Now in this question, minus it is outside, 36 is here. So now what is opposite of 36? Minus 36, it is 36 only, right? Jamnon tong tham. Now question number 5. Minus 48. This one we have done already. Negative a means opposite number. Let's say if you have, I will just do something here. If we have minus a, right, it means opposite of a, right? Opposite of negative a, it is equal to a, right? So when we have minus outside means opposite number. So here minus 48, first it is 48. Now what is opposite of 48? It is minus 48, right? Log 68. Because this is already opposite. So opposite of 48, it is 48. But now we have to do opposite from opposite. Tong kham from tong kham, right? So number 6, 0, right? So first check these answers, then we will move to the next questions. Everyone, please check your answers. Oh, only one? Yes, 2. Okay, hello, good morning. Check your answers, please, everyone. Done? Okay, so next. Okay, now next question number 2. What we have to write? We have to write the absolute value. So number 1, it is minus 20. It is equals to 20, right? Question number 2. Absolute of 35, it is equals to 35, right? Question number 3. Minus 19. So in this question, first we have to solve this one. Now don't come any count, right? So minus, it means opposite of minus 19, which is 19. Next, absolute of 19, it is equals to 19 also, right? Now last question number 3. Question number 3, right? In this question, what we have to do, this is minus 4, right? Minus 4, it is bigger or smaller? It is smaller, correct? Because log 29 เป็น absolute เท่ากับลบ 29, right? So minus 4, it is smaller than absolute minus 29, right? Number 2, minus 11 in the absolute is smaller or bigger? ข้อนี้ข้อ 2 bigger, correct? Because minus 11, right? It is in the absolute. When we check outside, and 18 มากกว่าลบ 11 อยู่แล้ว so it is bigger, right? Now let's take question number 3. We have 57 and minus 75. Now this one bigger or smaller? Smaller, because absolute, again we know it is in the plus positive sign, so it is smaller. Number 4, minus 68 is here and minus 68 is here. Now this one, it is smaller, bigger or equal? Equal, because ani ko log 68 logอยู่ข้างนอก right? And here log 68, so it is equal, เท่ากัน right? It is equal. Okay, now let's check question number 5. Let's check question number 5. We have minus 9 and here we have 8. Now this is bigger or smaller? Smaller, correct? It is smaller because minus is outside and equal log 9 อยู่แล้ว, right? So last question, then we will start our today's class. Now this one, minus 22 and minus 33. Yes, now it is bigger or smaller? Bigger, very good, because log 22 it is มากกว่า, right? It is bigger than minus 33, so it is bigger. So please check your answers. Check your answers. If all are correct, okay. ถ้ามีอะไรผิด you can just make the correction, right? So I will just give it here. Right, those who are watching live, so please, if you are wrong, then make the correction. Okay, so let them do the correction first. It is delayed, right? So wait a minute, because I need to connect it to HDMI and okay, so now we are going to do addition of integers, right? So wait, this one, no, This one all we have done. Now addition of integers, it is simple, means 2 plus 3 it is 8, 5 plus 3 it is 8, we know already. Now for example 5 plus 3 it is 8, we know the addition buak. Now the important thing I was telling, it is addition of negative integers with negative integers, right. Let us say we have minus 5 and plus minus 3. When we have two same sign ถ้าบวกกับบวกหรือลบกับลบถ้าเราทำบวกกัน if we add the answer in the plus, it is plus. We have here minus, here minus, so answer it is minus 8. คำตอบได้ลบ8, right. Now same like this, you can see here, for the addition of a negative integer with the negative integer, negative integer with the negative integer, add the absolute value of both numbers and the answer of that it is negative, right. Now this is how we will do. Okay, so everyone, this one it is not in your book, so please write down in your notebook. เขียนอันนี้ในสมุด please write down in your notebook. This one it is not in your books, so please everyone write down this one in your notebooks. Right, so please write down this one and this example. Yes, write down this one. Write down this one in your notebook. Just a second, let me check if it is showing. Yes, okay. Okay, correct. So those who are watching live, please write down in your notebook this one, because this one it is not in your book, so you have to write down in your notebooks this one. right? Done already? Okay, write down first. Let them complete writing. Write the example also. Please write the example. Write the example. Example 1 and this one, right? Everyone, please write the example as well. Wait a minute. Let me check if it is working. Yes, August, I have read your comment. Okay, very good if you are correct. So write down this one and this example, then we will do some problems, right? We will do some exercise. Yes, done, right? Okay, let them complete. Okay, so next, now same like this one no need to write, we don't just adivai, right? Now let's say we have to find the sum of here -3 plus -5, right? If we have this question, so we will do in 2 steps. First, we will do these two one, right? -3 plus -5, it is -8. Next, plus the same sign, and here -8. Now next we do already -8 and plus -8, it is -60. So step 1 is this one, step 2 is this one, right? Same like this, if we have a plus b plus c, only add these one, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. Now if we have in the minus, have a log, -5 plus -2, -7. Next, plus -3, it is -10, right? This is how we will do here. Now, we know already if the signs are positive, we will add the number and then put the sign in front of the number, right? Now, if two signs are the same but one is negative, so we will put here the negative term below, right? Now, these all questions, please do it now in your notebook. And you don't come in. Yes, please do it now in your notebook. Solve the problems, write the heading, and this one, these all problems, those who are watching live, these all problems, you have to do it now in your notebook, everyone. If you don't understand anything, please ask me. I'm teacher, right? Okay, yes, do it now first. Yes, now what is the answer of this question? What is the answer of this question? Minus, yes, because we know already this is minus 3 and plus minus 5, so we will simply write minus 8. How about this one? 4 plus 7, what is the answer? 11 only, right? Because there is no minus in below, and here we have the answer 7, correct? And here minus 13, and this one 5 plus 9, what is answer? 14, right? And the last one minus 18. So these are all answers of your questions. If you have done, please take the answer. Right? Good. Okay. Yes. If you are wrong, please make a correction. Because these are the plus sign, 3 plus 4, it is 7. It is not minus, right? Okay, now next. These are the last questions. What time do we have? Okay, yes. Last questions, please do it now, then we will finish the class. Okay. So everyone, please do it now. Yes, these are last 4 questions, and after that you have homework. Right? So those who are watching live, if you don't understand anything, you can ask me in the comment, and also you can watch this video anytime. It is available on the YouTube, right? Okay, so now, what is answer of this question? 8 plus 13, it is 21, and here minus 33, and this one. Okay, so these are all answers of your questions. Just check and then we will finish. Right? Okay. Yes, correct. Your answers are correct, right? Okay. So next, now from here Here. Wait a minute. No, let me check what you have to do. No, it's not that one that I want to do. Wait. So you have to do number 3. Okay, so this is your homework. You don't need to do all. You have to do only question number 3, number 5, number 7, number 9, and number 10. Right? This is your homework, and you have to do in the step. Right? Let's say this question, honey, we will do these two first. -3 plus -1, it is -4 plus -8. Step 1. Step 2, step is on -4 plus -6, -6, right? -10. So you have to do in 2 steps. So you have to do only 3, 5, 7, 6, any, right? Only 5 questions. It is all your homework. So you can write down these questions, homework, and yes, write down fast. So we will just end our class. Wait a minute, let me end the live stream. Okay, so those who are watching live, this is all about your homework. Please show me in the next class. Everyone, those who are watching now, right? So don't forget to send me your homework.